Let's dive right into the top 5 mid-level React interview questions that you'll likely face. These questions are designed to challenge you slightly more than before, and question number 5 may have cost my friend the job since he wasn't able to provide the correct answer in his interview for Facebook. Question 1. Can you explain what Redux is and how it interacts with React applications? Redux is a popular state management library that helps you manage and centralize application state. Think of it as a big, secure vault where all your application's data, such as user info or app settings, lives at. In React apps, Redux provides a predictable way of managing state across the entire app, making it easier to track, modify, and maintain data across different components. By using actions to update the state and reducers to specify how actions transform the state, Redux makes your application's data flow more transparent and easier to debug. Question 2. What are React hooks, and can you give examples on how you might use them? React hooks are functions that let you hook into React state and lifecycle features from functional components. They were introduced to simplify stateful logic and side effects in functional components, making them as powerful as class components. For example, the useState hook allows you to add state to a functional component, while the useEffect hook lets you perform side effects like fetching data, subscribing to events, or manually changing the DOM. Hooks empower developers to write cleaner, more modular code, fostering easier reuse and testing. Real quick, if you're finding this video helpful, hit that like button to let YouTube know it should recommend it to others. Question 3. How does React Router work, and why is it important in building single-page applications? React Router is a library that enables navigation among views of various components in a React app, making it behave more like a multi-page application without the page reloading. It updates the browser's URL as the user navigates through the app, allowing them to bookmark and share links to specific parts of the app. It's crucial for single-page applications because it provides a way to manage and transition between different views or pages efficiently, enhancing user experience by mimicking traditional multi-page website navigation without the full page refreshes. Question 4. Explain the use of fragments in React and why they are useful. Fragments in React are a bit like invisible wrappers for your components. They let you group a list of children without adding extra nodes to the DOM. Why does this matter? Well, sometimes you want to return multiple elements from a component without adding a parent element for wrapping, because doing so might mess up your CSS layout or unnecessarily bloat your DOM tree. Fragments solve this by allowing you to wrap or group your components without leaving a footprint in the DOM, making your app cleaner and more efficient. Question 5. Discuss the concept of controlled versus uncontrolled components in React. In React, controlled components are like well-trained pets. They do exactly what you tell them. You manage the form data with state and update it based on user input. For example, an input form element whose value is controlled by React in this way is a controlled component. Uncontrolled components, however, manage their own state internally and are queried using a ref when you need to find out their current value. These are more like wild animals, doing their own thing until you need to interact with them directly. The distinction helps in choosing the appropriate approach based on the level of control you need over form data. Mastering React is about diving deep and coding those concepts. Don't forget to subscribe for more React content, and are you looking to solidify your React basics, or are you curious about React hooks? Check out my other videos covering these subjects here.